again, students. So this is the last video in this series of videos at Aristotle's Lyceum in Athens, Greece. I saved the best, at least for me, for last, and this is a heartfelt message. So why is the Lyceum so important to me personally, not just as your professor of rhetoric and writing, but as a human being? It's because I connect this site to my own academic lineage. And to me, in some ways, that is more significant than my own genealogical heritage. It's here that my discipline, rhetoric and composition in Western philosophy, was born. And to be here, walking in the footsteps of one of the greatest teachers of all time, is an absolute honor. And I hope that I can express that to you, the importance and the value of education, especially a rhetorical education. I'll see you when I get back.